Hi there! In this video we'll be taking a look at this Twinkly Generation 2 multicolor light strip and at this music add-on dongle. Okay, so while my wife and daughters are arranging the tree, I will be opening this up, and thank you very much Twinkly for sending this in. The second I heard about them, I think a few years ago actually, I was curious to have something like this and play with it, because these things are fully addressable and fully adjustable, so you can do lots of things with them. Daughters are already over the moon because Christmas is slowly approaching, and this is what they work with, obviously. Some info of the strip itself. So it's IP44, yeah, and daughter recovering from a cold. Distance 8 centimeters between two LEDs that are one after the other. Diameter of the LEDs 4 millimeters, so it's full RGB obviously, and we have two 10 millimeter strands which are joined at the end, so in total 250 LEDs, and these are the temperatures. So basically you can also use them in really cold weather and in hot weather, and the exact model number of the lights is right here. Instructions guide, a little twinkly card. They started in 2016. They have a few years of playing around with colored lights. I envy them. This is the power brick itself. Let's see. So it's a 24 volts, 1 amp. Basically, yes, 24 watts total, with the EU connector on it. This is the controller itself. I think we can actually play around and change some modes, and we don't even need the phone if we don't want to, obviously. And these are the two strands, some little twinkly stickers. Yeah, daughters will be quite happy about them. And now let's get further into the box. Okay, so here presumably same thing. If it was like this, it would come with a different connector that goes in there, but for us this is the perfect one. I don't think I can get it with one hand, so be back in a second. Or yeah, I'm better than I think. This is the main power cable which goes into the power brick. Ooh. A little bit of rainbow. Wait until my oldest daughter sees this. She will want this sticker. This is the model number. And a ferrite bead. This is for filtering all kinds of stuff that could create interference problems. The LEDs, you can see them. To have a better dispersion of the light, they are not clear ones, they are basically milky. Hey, daughter, just a moment. Silence down just for a moment. This is nice. Twinkly branding all again. You are supposed to set them on the tree itself first, and only then plug them in, and then plug them into the socket. And daughter. Here are the info, so you know if you are connected, and they will tell you just by color of the LED itself. And this is the code to download the app itself. These are some connection modes, even direct Wi-Fi. Okay, that's cool. If you don't have a router, you can directly connect your phone to this, or you can use the router as a bridge between them. Then you map the layout, so the app knows exactly where all of your LEDs are, which is great. Some tips for mapping. Yes, in case you need to reset it, basically you press the button, plug it in while still pressing the button, and it will show you with the LEDs that the reset has been done. We also have an online manual, and this is the code for it in case you need it. And it's on. Hopefully I did a good job wrapping the tree up in it, but we'll see that when I plug it in. We have this red grommet in here. I already plugged it in, I couldn't do it any other way. And you just tighten this to make sure it is basically sealed. And now I'm just somehow routing everything through my socket, so let's plug it in and see what we get. And we should get the first power on. Let me see, what if you don't have a mobile phone with you? Can you literally change anything from this? Yeah, you can. So you can go through some modes just by pressing the button, which is great because not everybody is able to play around with a phone. So if the owner, in quotation marks, with the phone is not at home, anybody from the family could just play around with the button and set different modes. So good idea. Now let's install the app and do the how you call it. Actually no, I'm going to tuck this away a bit better and then install the app and do the marking of all the LEDs. Let's now install Twinkly, and this is a really good score for an app. So it should be good. Open it. Don't have an account, I will create an account. And it's searching for Twinkly devices. Choose your Twinkly Generation number 2. Hey. Yep. It's close to your phone. Press and hold the button until the light is blue. Let's do exactly that. Press and hold until it's blue. Press and hold. And now it's blue. Try again. Hey, hello Twinkly. Let's see. Use local Wi-Fi. And I'm going to connect it to my Wi-Fi. The LED is still blue on the Twinkly itself. If it first fails, try to re-input your password. Little light bulbs, if you translate this from Romanian. Save. And now it wants us to map the lights. Let's map the lights now without any possible reflections behind them. Start mapping. And I think we will get a much improved result from this. Yep, clearly. Much better. And at this point, I think we will go to this, updating successful, and let's play with them. No, I don't think I want to edit. Okay, apply. And it's working. Let me show you. And this is the effect. I will turn off the light. Sorry for filming vertically, but it's a Christmas tree. It's kind of vertical. Okay, so these modes are really cool. Let me show you how this one, for example, looks like. And you have a preview, so you click on the mode and it previews it for you. And this is how the effect looks like. Basically, it's the flag rotating on the Christmas tree. This is another cool effect, up, down. This is cool. So, if you are into LED lights, like I am, and my whole family basically, this is the next level. You can play around with it a lot. You can obviously design your own models, if you can believe that. These things are awesome. My daughter will love them a lot. I couldn't let them in the room while I'm testing this because you wouldn't hear me at all. They would just keep on cheering. So let's see if I can actually create a new model from draw with my fingers. Let's put some green randomly, and let's put some red randomly, and in here, and spoof my mode. Okay, here are the modes, and you can see them right here. Press apply, and it's sent to Twinkly, and let me show you, it's exactly what I've drawn. Even with some LEDs that are not lit up, because as you can see, I've missed them basically. It's exactly what I did, 100% exactly what I did. This is too much fun. I can imagine my daughter's drawing on the screen and watching the LEDs light up on the tree itself. And you can create from predefined things. Let's say sun. So main one is sun, for example. Obviously you can adjust colors and whatnot. Let's get back. Pattern, let's see. Okay, so pattern is sun. Adjust what else? Speed and direction and angle. Really? Okay, and let's see, we can add a second mode. This is gonna be hard. Okay, this one, spoof, and blend them. Yep. So it is quite cool. I can wait. Yeah, I'm going to stop playing myself and let the daughters come and play with it, and then I will finish the first part of the video, because this will be in 2 parts, and the second part is for the music stuff, and the daughters just come in. This is gonna be fun. Îți place? You could hear the first of my daughters playing around with it. She likes it a lot. The other one will be coming in soon. They had their bath, and I realized this basically has a playlist, and I have 91% of the memory available, so I can do a playlist of modes. This is cool. Add effect, let's see. So first rainbow, add effect, this one, and you can set how much it will run. You can from here, I think, what I'm expecting, yeah, from there you can change the order. You can delete it if you want, but I'm not going to delete it. I'm going to add this one and apply, and it will basically cycle through them for 30 seconds each. Ce vrei tu?
Îți e ea.
Curcubeu.
Îți e ea. Care îți este? Mi-am schimbat.
Tu îi schimbi modurile?
Aici,
Just found out something more. Ta-da-da! It has a timer, on-off, and you can set the brightness, and you can see it in real time. Oh, powered it off by mistake. Sorry about that. And I keep finding out stuff. You can edit pre-existing ones. You can change the colors, for example. And it shows them in real time on the tree itself, which is quite nice. And depending on the, I don't know, on the model itself, you can change different things. So twinkles, how much twinkles, how quickly it changes colors. Different designs give you different options. This app keeps on giving. No wonder it had such a good mark. You can basically download new effects. Really? We'll wait for it. I'm quite curious to see how this will work. Play now. It's playing. Okay, this is cool. Just a quick intermission. I managed to do the advanced mapping, and it will be shown in the part 2 of the video, where I will also show the music dongle. And as you can see, the separation between the different lights in all the modes, it's much better if you do a proper advanced mapping. And even now I don't have the best one because I cannot go behind this particular tree at the moment. In the future, who knows, I might put it in the middle of the room and do a mapping where I can see all the 250 LEDs. And yes, obviously the link is in the description.